guys, you're welcome to our channel. Yes guys, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much, and if you're seeing our video, you are also welcome, and also do well to click the subscribe button. Yeah, today is Friday, the 8th of April 2022. Yes, it's no longer news that it is declared sit-at-home in the entire southeast, being that Mazi Nnmadi Kanu will be going for his court hearing today. So it is declared sit-at-home in the entire southeast. Yeah, it's actually a serious thing in the southeast. For those who live in the southeast, they understand that it's a serious business. So nobody went out today as far as the morning hours is concerned. This is 12 in the afternoon. I decided to just do a drive around town. We are currently in Enugu State, so I decided to just do a drive around town to know the state of things in the city in afternoon. So as you can see guys, it's still very scanty, no movement at all. You know, there's no movement at all, just few vehicular movements within Enugu metropolis. This is Naira Triangle. We'll be taking this drive towards the airport. At least we might even get into the airport to see there's even activities at all, if people are even scared to fly into the city today. I know this is the kind of video we've never done before, like going to the airport to verify if the sit-at-home actually affect business in the airport. Obviously for me, I know it will surely affect, but let's continue on this drive and let's see how the airport is in regards to business on a sit-at-home day. So the city is totally dried. Everybody is doing it in solidarity for Mazi Nnmadi Kanu to be released. So guys, that is it. You can see the city, business shut down, everything is totally down. So we are going to climb up the airport flyover now. Let's take the drive to airport flyover. Yes guys, we did a similar video on Monday, because every Monday automatically in the southeast is sit-at-home. You can check our video catalog for that video. We did a video on Monday. That should be 4th of April. We did a video on the state of things in Enugu, and we did that during the morning hours because there are scanty movements on days like that. But today, being the day he's going to court, in fact it was a total shutdown. I came out in the morning before, but I was scared. I had to go back to my house because I didn't want to be caught unaware. So but this is 12 and still the movement is still very, very dry. So you can check out that video from our video catalog to see what the activities is like on Monday, being 4th of April 2022. So guys, let's get your thoughts in the comment section. I know the court hearing is on. Later today we'll get the verdict from or the outcome of what the court hearing was about. So but do let us get your thoughts in the comment section, and if you are seeing this video by the time they must have been done with the court hearing, do also drop your thoughts on what you think about the whole situation and what is the way forward and what should be done. So do let us know. And if you are from the southeast and you feel this is affecting our stay indirectly or directly, also do let us get your thoughts in the comment section. So if you're a returning subscriber, like I've said before, thank you very much for joining me on this drive around Enugu. And if you are seeing this video and you are yet to subscribe, please do well to click the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. Yes, we are at the airport roundabout now, so let's get into the airport. Let's even see if they will grant us access into the airport. So let's even see what it is like at the airport. We hope the airport is not even shut down because of these fears. So guys, we've done the pass for So guys, we just did the gate pass. We're inside the airport. Yeah, there's a vehicle behind us as well coming into the airport. I would have asked that guy at the gate if any flight has landed today, but okay, let's go and see the activity level. I think the activities here, funny enough, because all of these cars I'm seeing cannot just be for airport staff now. So let's see. We're approaching the car park, but mainly looking at things. It's looking quite busy. Not what I expected. Not what I expected. It's looking quite busy. Okay guys, let's yeah. So guys, we are done from the airport. Activities are actually on. Some flights are preparing to take off, even international wing. They are also preparing to take off this afternoon. So guys, the airport is busy. People are coming in to pick their loved ones, and people are also going out. People are also coming to drop their loved ones off at the airport. So we're also preparing to go to Lagos. So keep it locked down, because a lot of good content is going to be coming from our trip to Lagos. We are more than excited to bring you content from Lagos. So guys, that is it on the sit-at-home situation in Enugu. Business is going on at the airport, activity is on, so it's just within the town that it looks like everywhere is dried and scanty. So guys, that is it guys. We'll catch you guys